Hello everyone. Today I will be explaining what I've learned from chapter 2 and how I used what I've learned from chapter 2 to then create this PowerPoint presentation. So the purpose of this PowerPoint, the assignment was to create a social media marketing plan for a fictional company to then present it to the company class. So I had to include the company's history, any past and recent projects, what the company does, any information of this creatively inventive company that I came up with. So, chapter 2, I learned more about the outline function of the PowerPoint, which right here, as you can see, it organizes the whole PowerPoint presentation so that you can see everything that you've written, and I guess it helps, well, it helped me see everything all at once, so I didn't have to go and click slide by slide to see what I wrote. And as I'm clicking, also shows you the slide on the side or to the right and all the notes that I've written down. And yeah, so this you could, if you right click it, you could collapse it. It's expanding out, and if I hit collapse all, you'll just see the name of the slides. And yeah, so it's an easy way to see all the work that you put, that you, all the slides that you created, so you don't have to, less of a headache going slide by slide. So that's a couple of things I've learned from chapter 2. And I also, I never used PowerPoint at work, so I didn't know any of this before. So I know I could be I'll be using this in the future for sure. And also where's the other? Sorry about that. The Slide Master view, which also gives you, it gives you all the information of your themes. So then you could change the themes, the layouts that you have, any backgrounds. So if you want to change the layout of a couple of slides and then leave two other slides the same, then you could be able to do so. So the fonts too, the colors, anything that you've done to the slides with themes and everything that you could change in the slide master. So that's also an easy way to do stuff, all together as a group instead of doing it one by one, which takes longer and could be annoying for others. So all of this I learned, and I know I'll be using this in the future at work because soon they'll be giving me projects to do on PowerPoint. So, but when I receive those projects, I'll have greater knowledge of how to create a great PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.